Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today the agenda on our hand is to clean our dirty brushes. Honestly, I have been meaning to clean my brushes for almost 2 weeks, but I have been procrastinating it enough. And today is the day when I do that. A lot of you have been asking me as to how I clean my brushes. So today is the day when I take you to the journey of squeaky clean brushes. So today I am deep cleaning them. So the process might look like it's a lot, but honestly it isn't. So and guys, cleaning our brushes is so important, so important for our own health, for the health of our brushes and everything, because dirty brushes tend to accumulate dust. They tend to dry up, they tend to take in bacteria and whatnot, and when you put it on your face, all the bacteria from the brushes transfers to your face. So yeah, ideally you should wash them for maybe 2 uses, but we all know, if you are someone like me who uses their brushes a lot, so make it a point to wash your brushes after 5 to 6 uses. That's the max that I think you should extend them, otherwise they might kind of break you out and stuff. So yeah, I think I've scared you guys enough, and I have kind of encouraged you to wash your brushes. So come on, let's go. Hi guys, so today the task on hand is to clean them brushes. So I'm going to talk you through how I like to deep clean my brushes, what I use, how I use. So if you are interested in watching my favorite way of cleaning my brushes, then stay here and keep on watching. So we need a couple of things, that is one bowl. You don't need to take a glass bowl. I'm taking because I'm making my video and I want it to be a little fancy. So that's there. So all you need is a glass bowl, any shampoo, and a little bit of olive oil. So I'm taking a little bit of water in the bowl. Taking this GK hair taming system shampoo. You can take whatever shampoo you are using that, a little bit of that. You don't need a lot. A little bit of this olive oil, just to make sure brushes are soft and they are not stripping down of any kind of moisture. You can see for yourself, my brush is squeaky clean. Alternatively, you can also use your hands, but I have this, so I'm using this. After this, I'm going to lay down my brushes like this, so in case there's any excess water left, even after draining all the water out with my hands manually, it will drip in the sink. And I know my sink is really messy right now, but I did wash my dirty brushes there, so please ignore that. Guys, after an hour, I'm going to lay down a clean cotton towel and make a little bed for my brushes and make them lie in them, that all the excess water gets absorbed. I'm going to let them sit overnight so that they can dry and be squeaky clean. So guys, this is how I clean my brushes. I know that looks like a lot of work, but honestly it isn't, and it is something that you have to do. You just cannot skip on that. So yeah, so if you like my video, and I hope you found this video useful. If you did, then please give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also hit the subscription button down below if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you guys know when I upload next. And guys, thanks for taking your time out and watching this video. See you next time.